In this series, we will look at a few Microsoft Excel tips and tricks that can be incorporated in your daily work to increase productivity. In today's video, we will look at how to clear duplicates and extract unique values from a set of text. So in this example, I have two columns. The first one being the names of employees and then their designations in the second column. So if you notice the designation column, there's some data that's repeated because the designation can be repeated for users. But say you want to pull out all the unique values that are in your data. So how do you do that? So to retain my column, I'll first select my data. I'll paste it into a different column. Then highlight your data, and under Data tab of Excel, there's a small icon that says Remove Duplicates, which looks, how do you identify it? It has two rows highlighted with a white in between which says, delete or a cross mark. So that's Remove Duplicates icon. Like other functions in Excel, if you hover over that icon, it also shows you a small help text. Feel free to read through that to get some more information on this. So I'll click on Remove Duplicates and it brings up a window. So whichever column has been highlighted to remove the duplicates, you can select that column. So in my case, there's only one, so you see one. But if you have multiple columns, it can apply. You can remove duplicates from multiple columns as well. So I'll go ahead and select column E, click on OK, and that's it. So it shows you how many columns or duplicate values were found and how many unique values remain. So as you notice, 3 values were taken out from this list, and then you have 4 unique values. So this is really helpful when you have hundreds of data and you want to pull out just the unique values. So just to show you some more example, if I had duplicate data here, and let me just copy paste this. So now in this field, we have multiple duplicate entries. So I'll show you how to clear duplicate entries from. So Anna and teacher is a duplicate entry. Jack and plumber is a duplicate entry. Alan and teacher is not a duplicate entry. Alan and engineer is not a duplicate entry. So when we run the function, we should see the last two fields go away. So like I mentioned before, when you click on remove duplicates, now it shows you both the columns. Here you can select or unselect any column, but for our example, I'll keep them both checked. Then click on OK. So if you notice, it looks at both the columns now and removes the duplicate across. So the 2 fields that we looked at were removed, and you have 8 unique sets of values available. So hope that helped you in your daily work. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.